Hello, Jacek from Prodio here. Today I'm going to tell you about users activity in Prodio, how it works and when it might be useful for you. So, how to get access to this function? Well, you just have to go to orders and then choose some specific order, like for example, this one here. And now you have to just click on activity. And now you can see all the changes that were made to this order, like, for example, change of status, or who planned this order, who created it, and any changes that were made. Like, for example, here we have the change of the client name to this order, assigned to this order. Or for example, here maybe, yeah, here you can see all changes that were made, like due date, confirmed date, also some changes like quantity, and so on and so forth. Basically, it gives you easy access to see if there were any changes in this order and who made them. And also, this activity feature gives you possibility to chat, have a better communication with with the rest of your team. Like here, for example, you can see some example of conversation assigned to this product. This is my message, here's Michael's message, and so on. You can see all of it. It is useful when you want to, for example, plan some actions with this order, and later when you want to check if everything was going with like in a plan, or there were any problems or anything happened during production of this order. Yeah, here you can write a message. Here you can respond to messages of your users. Right. Important thing is that it isn't work for workers, but for users. So users are the persons that you gave some kind of access to your account, which you can do when you go into options and then to options and then to users. And here you can see users, and you can add a new one, and you can assign which account type he is going to have. Yeah, so that's it here. And second important thing is that you can also access whole history of changes and user activities by going here into orders and clicking here or here. And right now you can see all changes that were made from the beginning till this moment, from the oldest to the newest. And important thing is that you can filter them by action type, like order created, message, and so on. And you also have filtering options like who created it and date of creation, and by product. So that just changes and messages assigned that happened according to some specific products, like that are connected to the specific product, will just show. Yeah, and basically that's it. It's a really cool option if you want to check if something happened with the product or order during the whole process of production, and also if you want to have a better communication with your team, so that later you can just search conversation that was about some order or product. You don't have to scroll through all information about all products, machines, and everything. You can just choose one product that you need information about, what happened there. You can click on that in Prodio and you can see everything. So I encourage you to try this option, this function, and have a good day. Thank you for watching and see you in other videos. Bye. That's all for now. Subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the latest news and tech tips. Additionally, check out what else we've prepared for you.